Importance of gardening. Plants are absolutely essential to life. None of our basic functions, from breathing to eating to drinking, would be possible without plants. Plants not only act as food source but also release oxygen and help maintain the water table. The simple fact of matter is that without plants, we would not survive. While there are many plants growing in the wild, people also cultivate and grow certain plants, bushes, and shrubs in their homes or yards. This activity is known as gardening. While it may appear as a hobby to some, the fact is that gardening is actually quite beneficial and therefore important to us. Gardening is a fairly physical activity. It involves weeding, watering of plants, mulching, trellising, and harvesting, all of which require physical labor from the gardener. Hence, it becomes an excellent addition to your exercise routine. Gardening is also a very practical activity. It allows you to grow your own vegetables and fruits, thus ensuring that you have healthy food on the table. When you harvest vegetables from your garden, you do so knowing that you are getting the freshest product possible. Gardening for aesthetics appeals to the human need for beauty. Ornamental gardening caters to the side of us that is delighted by beauty. In addition, flowers are a part and parcel of most occasions such as births, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, and funerals. Gardening also helps sharpen problem-solving skills, researching the best methods to make your garden grow, experimenting with different techniques, and designing irrigation systems that work for you all help in improving your skills at creativity, problem solving, and planning. Most people dismiss gardening as a mere hobby. They ignore or downplay the benefits you can get from gardening regularly. The fact is that it is much more than a recreational activity. Imagine what the world would look like without any gardens.